Welcome to Prithivesh Finance, and guess what? Corona Remedies. Oh my gosh, its name is Corona Remedies in the sense of Corona. We remember Corona only since 2019. 2019 Corona came, but now we are reading the Corona Remedies IPO detail at NSE BSE listing, going to list into the market. Anyways, this company has more than 71 brands, 4,500 and employees, where there 2,000 distributor. If you are from pharmaceutical company, you will have this sort of portfolio 100% if you existing in market since long back or something like that. 4,000 4,573 employees on the 30th June 2025 they have mentioned over there. We will not go in the detail much about this company, so we will speak just company footprint over here. 2004 they have launched what is this first division, okay, in 2000 pioneer division 2010. Over 2005 launched their division of multi specialist MX. 2007 commenced production of first manufacturing plant in Solan, Himachal Pradesh. 2008 they have a division of gynecology, Arush. 2013 they have launched division cardiology wellness. 2016 purchased trademarks Stelbid and Veterinarium from Glasgow Group Limited. Purchased trademark Dialo DX, Dialo BM. GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceutical Limited launched division in cardiovascular disease, Aura and gynecology, Solis. 2018 they have acquired trademark Obinent, Obinent GX, Obinent SR, Obinent V, Triobiment and Thyrocap within the India from Abbott India Limited. 2020 entered into strategic alliances with La Chandra Pharma Lab Private Limited. 2021 commenced production manufacturing plant at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. 2022 the division of cardiovascular Radiant Gynecology, what is this, Solaris launch division in urology, Blaze. 2023 purchased trademark and Myrology Sanofi Healthcare, okay, Private Limited, EU GMP and Ahmedabad. I think we have missed this or something like that. I'm not so sure. I don't know. But this is all about that Corona Remedies Limited. Okay, we will not go in detail much more right now. My phone is also dead now. So, Corona Remedies. So, Corona Remedies is basically from the pharmaceutical company. Corona Remedies is basically into pharma company. It's look like a manufacturing unit. They are API, API category. They will do manufacturing, but they will give it after manufacturing. They give it to someone else, the big companies. So their key therapies are into, my god, this website is also taking a long time to open up, so I believe it we will catch this later on because it's taking a time. Women health, cardio, diabeto, then pain management, urology and others, they have mentioned this much only. Okay, we will not go there we are not going to sell their all products. So here is the detail. We will skip over here and we will speak about the IPO detail because this is channel all about finance. So the IPO detail for Corona Remedies Limited, symbol will be Corona. Issue period 8 December to 2025 till 10 December 2025, where the issue type 100% book build, issue price range between 1008 to 1062 per equity share. Discount offer 54 rupees per equity share for eligible employee, where IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and book running lead manager JM Financial Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, and sponsored bank is ICICI Bank Limited and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. So we will speak about this Corona Remedies rating comes. We will give it to the rating for this company is 2.2 out of 5, because this company is not a fastest growing. When somebody comes with the transparency, we see in this company passing legacy from generation to generation, and this company is from the pharma sector, so they are having they don't have a grassroots, we can say, but they have literally made it, I mean, they have literally did it a lot of thing. Yeah, there is nothing, there is not much missing, but we seen there. Yeah, nowadays people are not putting the detail in detail, what they do, how they do, everything is little bit missing. Yeah, we have seen that. So anyways guys, Corona Remedies, we have given more than Wakefit Innovation, so you can go and check why we have given this much rating, because it's a pharma companies, they are having tie-ups with big brands. Thank you, by Prithvish Finance, having busy Monday, and hope you will like it our video. And hope you don't like it, you can comment it. Which part of video you don't like it? I know the ratings probably watched by the people don't like it. You can watch our video of GMP prediction for Meesho IPO. You can watch the GMP prediction and the IPO detail of Aqueous Limited. You can watch out our video on Vidya Wires. Very soon late will be come, and the IPO detail of Corona Remedies Limited. With the same time, there is a Wakefit Innovation is also rushing to the market with the same date of IPO listing and everything. So Corona Remedies, don't forget, watch the video of Wakefit Innovation. So hopefully you will like it our video or not. Comment, share and subscribe the detail. Bye bye.